Hello YouTube, this is Winward and welcome to my first video. So the video today is going to be all about this this little block, Redstone, or as many of you may know, when this is stepped on or right click or left clicked, it glows for a random amount of time. Using this concept I have created this. So basically I'll just show you what it does and explain as it goes through. The user will right click on this or left click, which will update this block update detector switch, which will send a pulse into this T flip-flop, which will move this block out of the way. At the same time, it will send a pulse into this clock, redstone clock, very simple. Since this block is out of the way, the pulse can continue to pass through the clock. Every time it passes through here, the current continues and goes through this thing, this counter that I've built. I know that there's a much simpler counter out there now, using the new locking repeaters, but I built this before then. So this essentially, it counts from 0 to 8 in binary, base 2. So basically, when this stops glowing after a random amount of time, it will update this again, which will move this block back into place, which will stop the current. It will be cut off, and the timer will stop, and it will stop incrementing. And I still need to build this, but when it stops incrementing, I need it to send a pulse over here so that the output will only be sent when this is finished, and I need it to be sent over here. Basically, what I was going for with this project was to build a kind of lottery mini-game that people could build on their multiplayer vanilla servers or semi-vanilla. With no plugins required, you don't have to do any of that, you can just build the thing. So I've actually built this incorrectly. There needs to be 9 chambers here, obviously from 0 to 8. The idea is that players will stand in these chambers, and then whoever's hosting the event will right click on this, which will activate the clock here, and it will start incrementing. When this stops glowing, it will update again, and I still need to build this part as well, the decoder that will convert this from base 2 to base 10. As you can see, it's finished there, and it's generated 0, so at that point it would send a pulse to whoever player 0 was, which would probably be here, and this person would win a prize. I'm thinking it will probably be something to do with dropping out of dispensers or something easy like that that can be easily refilled. But it's something that you could build if you were, say, on a townie server or something like that, and you're not an admin. You can build this, on your plot or something like that, and people can pay you a small amount of something and then have a chance at winning big in the lotto. So that's the essential concept. As I said, I still need to build quite a bit here. I most likely will rebuild this, even though I like the way it looks. Looks more fancy than locking repeaters, but if I rebuild it with the repeaters, it'll be much easier to build for other people on servers, and it increments by 1 in base 10 instead of base 2, so I wouldn't have to build a decoder. And it would be easier to choose how many players the server wants to have play. So I'm gonna make this a lot more compact as well. I've just laid it out like this so that I can see everything that's going on, and do, I guess you could call it debugging, just to make sure everything's working properly and watch it and everything. But it is a random amount of time. It's different every time. I don't know what the actual time frame is. if you could let me know in the comments, that would actually be helpful for testing. But that's about it as well. In the comments, please do leave a comment about the quality of the video. I know it's not fantastic. I don't have great software. I hopefully will be able to have that soon. My computer's not great for this whole recording thing, but again, this is my first video, so please do leave a comment. It helps me improve my recording style and all that fun stuff. So I will be posting updates on this. Hopefully next time I'll have this a little bit more compact, and I'll start conceptualizing more the whole lottery portion. I will probably make a tutorial on the randomizer itself minus the lottery before I actually finish the lottery part. But anyway, thank you for watching, and have a great day.